Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be preparing something delicious. I'll be making some cheese Fatayer. So with me I have some good cheese. So I'll be preparing some Arabic snack. It's so delicious, so easy to make, and right here I have all my ingredients. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive into our video. I'll start by preheating my oven before mixing the dough. Well, in our recipe, I'll be using 4 cups. I'm using the standard cup. So those are 4 cups. And then I'll go in with 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. And then I'll go in with 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'll just give it a quick mix. You can also add in some baking powder, but right now it's out of stock. So after mixing our dry ingredients, I'll now go in with the wet ingredients. Add in 1 egg. I'll go in with a 1/2 cup of milk, of which I'll also be using the standard measuring cup. A 1/4 cup of oil. And then lastly, I'll add in a 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. I'll now go ahead and knead our dough until I come out with a fine texture. So my dough came out hard, that's why I'm adding in a little more milk so that my bread can come out soft. And cover it and let it sit for 1 hour. Well, now that we are done with our dough, I'll go ahead and prepare the cheese. So that's how our cheese looks like. Just like that. So that size is actually enough. So we shall start with this and see where it ends. Then we shall open the second one. So it's now time to work on our dough. So I've divided our dough into 3 parts. It's now time for rolling it out. So that's a very perfect size. I'll then get our pizza cutter and cut it quickly. So this one makes work much easier. You can as well cut with a knife, but this is better. So since I want them small, I'll be slicing it that way, and then I'll give it 2 cuts, and that's for decoration, which you will see when I'm rolling it out. Then we go ahead and place our cheese in each piece. So that's why we cut the 2 lines. It comes out with a very good design, even when it's baked. And then we repeat the same process until all our dough is done. So we are done with that stage. I'll go ahead and cover it and let it proof for the second time. So right now I'll go ahead and wrap them with some eggs to give them a nice finish. So let's go bake. Well, I'll first put in some stones just on the sides to support this. Just like that. And then I'll go ahead and cover. So within 5 minutes they'll be done. Whoa. So as you can see, they are all browned down. It's time to change the fire and put it up. So I'll just change the cover and put it like this. Wow! Mama, wow! Just look at that. I will get it. Just like that. Woo! Perfect. Well, our Fatayer is ready. So I'll go ahead and just brush some sugar syrup on top. This is just sugar and water. So I let it boil until the sugar became a little thick. You put it when the Fatayer is still warm. You don't wait for it to get cold. You can see our cheese is still there. So it's easy to break. You just get and pull just like that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.